Capture your most extreme moments with professional clarity without the premium brand price tag. Welcome back. If you're looking for a rugged, high-spec shooter that thrives where smartphones fear to tread, the Icefox i7 action camera is the high-value standout of 2026. This isn't just a budget shooter, it is a high-fidelity content machine. The standout feature for 2026 is the 4K 60 FPS video combined with a massive 30 MP photo resolution. This ensures that even high-speed action, like mountain biking or surfing, remains buttery smooth and razor-sharp. With EIS, electronic image stabilization, the i7 smooths out the jitters and vibrations of rough terrain, delivering cinematic footage that looks like it was shot on a gimbal. What makes the Icefox i7 a 2026 travel favorite is the pro-level accessory bundle and ecosystem. It comes with two 2,150 mAh batteries, giving you double the recording time for long excursions, and is fully waterproof for deep-sea diving or snorkeling. The camera is powered by the Snap Pro app, which allows for seamless Wi-Fi remote control and on-the-go video and photo editing directly from your phone. With 5x optical style zoom to get you closer to the action and a full suite of mounting kits included, it's a complete production studio that fits in your pocket. Click the link below for the best price and start your 2026 adventure today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect gear for your next trip, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that captures your world. See you in the next one.